Welcome to the Allmac Inc. online YouTube channel. This channel is all about trailers, how things work, the parts that we use, and tips and tricks of the trade. Now we're just getting started on this channel, so you're going to see a lot of videos released. So this is a really good time to hit subscribe and the notification button. Just a little bit more about us. We've been in the trailer business for 15 years. We fix and maintain trailers in central Minnesota. We also have a mobile unit. You can find us at www.allmacinc online. Also, if you need a trailer fixed, you want to book that out usually about 2 weeks in advance because we're pretty busy. If it's the summertime, maybe a little bit more. We also do DOT inspections, so give us a call if you need a DOT inspection. We also have an online parts place, and that's at www.allmacinc.online. So check out the subscribe notification button and let us know if there's a part or information we can provide. Thank you.